everybody, this is Paul Eisenstein. I'm in Boston, Massachusetts. It's about 4 o'clock on Friday, February 8th. The snow's starting to come down pretty hard. I'd say it's a moderate snow right now. The wind is really whipping around. We've got about close to 3 inches of snow on the ground right now. So in just a couple hours, the snow's really going to pick up. The wind's going to pick up. We should start seeing 2 to 3 inches per hour. So we're having a good time, and it's cold though. And so I'll be updating you soon, and we're going to have some deeper snow.